Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm Greg, welcome to my machine shop. Today we're going to wrap up the assembly of our display base for the Wallaby 30cc twin engine 4-stroke engine. In this 5-part mini-series, we've had an exposure to the lathe, we've done a little bit of drilling on the mill, we've played with Fusion 360 creating tool paths and G-code, and we've made a few parts on the CNC router. Alright, well let's pull it all together. So my idea is to use this box as a base for our engine. Mount this plate like so. It's a little thin, so I'm going to mount some reinforcing blocks on the inside for the engine and the fuel tank. But now I'm going to apply some stain. So here are all of the parts to complete our display base for the 30cc Wallaby engine. The box is something I picked up off of Amazon got 2 of them for 24 bucks. Didn't think I could build one for that. The parts list has the information to order one of these. The plate is mounted here. The things to keep in mind are the orientation. So this box has a latch on the front. So I want to make sure that I have the latch on the front and not mismatched with the base. The plate, the 2 small holes are at the rear, and on the right, on this side of the engine, what I call the left side as the engine's facing forward, but this hole is closer to the front and this hole here is further back. The engine will be mounted like so. The way I've positioned the plate, we have enough room for our starter dog in the front. We've got some room on the side here for some cooling hoses. The radiator will be mounted right back here, and our fuel tank will sit right over here. So the critical dimension then is 3 inches in from the side to this hole, and 3 5/8 inches back to this hole. And then the other ones are just squared up. Now this top piece of wood is only 1/16 of an inch thick, so it's quite thin. So what I did was I cut a piece of 1/2 inch pine, and I will glue this up on the inside of this to reinforce the top of this box. I think I may end up just using the top lid initially for the base, the display base, and I won't use the bottom of the box until I actually have electronics, the ignition system, and the battery to store inside. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this off camera, and we'll take a look when we get back. And there we have it, our completed display base for our Wallaby 30cc twin-cylinder 4-stroke engine. We started with the base to give us an exposure to some of the machining and Fusion 360 and the CNC router work. Well, that was fun. We finished the display base for our 30cc Wallaby twin-cylinder 4-stroke engine. I can hardly wait. I'm really excited to get started on the engine itself. So until next time, I'm Greg. Thanks for visiting me in my machine shop. Until next time, take care.